Well, you're looking happy, mate. What is this? This is a this is Richard's Toyota Supra alloy.
Yeah.
So this is a Jade R.
Jade R.
And
we've brought them back to life.
Yeah, because they were originally like a gunmetal grey type colour, weren't they? So what paint have you used?
They've been sat upstairs in Dino days.
I know.
Dust.
Yeah.
We've used this custom paints, base pearls, coconut.
Coconut. Well, it looks fantastic, man.
This is a daylight torch, so this sort of replicates daylight.
Core blimey, governor. What they'll look like if we ever get any sunshine.
If the sun comes out.
Yeah, that's gorgeous. Let's go up to this Jade R bit here. Look at that. Oh, you fighter.
That's upside down. I hope it's not like that when it's on the car. We'll put it on the other way.
We'll put it on the other way, mate. Yeah, it'd be absolutely fine. So, much preparation on these? I've got a photograph of them before.
Yeah, there wasn't a lot of damage.
No.
But they're a big old wheel to rub up. So yeah, any damage there was, we just sanded out, put a little bit of stopper in if it needed, and.
Are they all the same deep dish type, or two?
There's two of the rear. These two are rears.
Yeah.
If you spin them round.
Oh yeah, you can see. That's a big old. It's a big old dustbin, ain't it?
Got a deeper dish. And if you look at these are front ones.
Yeah, so they're not as big, are they? But they look gorgeous, man. Well done.
So it was painted, obviously. Got it as nice as we can on the inside, because Richard was concerned that because there's such a big wheel, which is right. You can.
Oh yeah.
When they're on, you can see through here. So.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. So, bit of a bake-off then, and then tyres on.
Richard wants to put the tyres on, and then get them on.
And get them on. Okay, well, we'll get some...
We're going to have to get a bit of footage with it.
With it on?
With them on.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Saying that, where is the Supra?
He's bringing it. I think he's bringing it
today. It's actually starting today. Wow, fantastic.
Yeah, I think he's bringing it with him.
All right, well, this will be excellent. So, check these out in a moment. Thank you, Keith. And are you happy with the paint? Did you like it?
Yeah, nice. Yeah.
Makes a difference from mixing up some paint, having a custom tin of paint.
Yeah.
And was there enough in that tin for one set of wheels?
Yeah, there's a little bit left. We could get a full set, so if you...
So what's that in mil? If people want to know.
It's a litre,
That's a litre.
But it's 2 to 1, so it makes a litre and a half. So
okay.
When you add thinners, so you've got plenty to get around a set of wheels. There's you know...
I noticed in the sunshine, it's not too dissimilar from the brown coal.
I think it should be this.
I think it also should be
Coconut.
that. Coconut base pearl.
Yeah, base pearl. Coconut.
Fantastic. All right, well, let's get some footage of the Supra. Here we go. Okay, so here's the Supra, and as you can see, these are the old wheels that are coming off today, and Richard's having some new ones on that Uncle Keith has painted. It's a beautiful colour, and it's going to look very, very, very fresh. Well, there we go. The wheels are on, painted at Uncle Keith's. And as you can see, that's some colour contrast, isn't it? What do you think, guys? Let us know. The Supra in all its glory. Look at this big old deep dish alloy. Obviously he's going to black the tyres, but they are actually new. Looking beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, another good job for Uncle Keith. Well done, buddy. If you need your alloys painted, give us a shout. Or if you've got a car, because obviously this car was painted by Uncle Keith as well. So it's a very nice colour in the sun, it is. See you all on the next one.
Life moves pretty fast.